Hey, what is up guys? I recently installed this aftermarket CarPlay screen on my Lexus IS350 2007, for which I have a full tutorial on. So if you guys want to install it by yourselves, do check out the video that I have on my channel. I've been getting a lot of questions on how the AC control can work on this aftermarket screen. So for reference, this is the TS18 Android screen. For example, when you click on the air control, you will see this theme where you cannot technically see or control any of your physical buttons present here. So I'm going to show you how to find the solution here. First of all, you're going to have to make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi, and then you're going to have to go to your settings of the product, not your car setting. There's going to be a separate app for car settings. Don't click on that. Go to this settings app and scroll down to factory settings. Go and enter the password 8888, and then what you're gonna have to do is go down to select models, and here we're gonna have to go and select the right CAN box. For example, here for the CAN box you have to select number 14, and for the car model you're gonna have to go ahead and select Lexus. For model, you're gonna go ahead and select 01, that's Lexus IS. So what low configuration means is that my Lexus actually came from factory with an analog or the old school radio systems with actual physical buttons, and high configuration is for the people who had their Lexuses with rear dash cam and a screen by factory. So my car did not have that, so my car will go with the low configuration, and then it will automatically download. And when you click OK, make sure the AC control is on. And then it says soon to enter the upgrade mode, please do not turn off. All right, so it's gonna go ahead and load this APK or the setup to install the related files for your Lexus models. Awesome. So now you will see automatically it has changed to a new screen. I think it's still upgrading the MCU. Once it's done, I'll be able to touch control all the settings. There you go. So now the device will restart, and then I will be able to access my AC controls. Go. So I'm gonna go ahead and test all the functions. This is volume up, this is AC up and AC down, and for your, and I can check if my screen also works. You can hear the AC fan sound. I can also turn the compressor off and on. I can turn on the auto settings. And I can also turn off the AC if I want to. I can directly turn it off from here. There you go. So this is the configuration for the AC system and making sure all your buttons work. If you guys learned something, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, see you on the next one.